Mga madalas na sagot sa tanong na, sino siya? Hindi ko siya kilala. I don't know her or him. Kapatid ko siya. He or she is my sibling. Pinsan ko siya. He or she is my cousin. Kapitbahay ko siya. He or she is my neighbor. Kaibigan ko siya. He or she is my friend. Anak ko siya. He or she is my son or daughter. Asawa ko siya. He or she is my spouse. Kaklase ko siya. He or she is my classmate. Kapatid siya ng kaibigan ko. He or she is my friend's sibling. Nagtatrabaho siya rito. He or she is working here. Siya ang may-ari nitong bahay. He or she is the owner of this house. Kasintahan ko siya. He or she is my boyfriend or girlfriend. Isa siyang driver. He or she is a driver. Isa siyang guro. He or she is a teacher. Bago lang siya rito. He or she is new here. Baka kilala mo. Maybe you know her or him. Tita ko siya. She is my aunt. Tito ko siya. He is my uncle. Itanong mo sa kanya. Ask him or her. Tatanungin ko siya. I will ask him or her. Walang nakakaalam kung sino siya. Nobody knows who she or he is. Kababata ko siya. He or she is my childhood friend. Di ko pa siya nakikilala. I have never met him or her yet. Makipagkilala tayo sa kanya. Let's meet him or her. Alamin natin. Let's find out. Baka kilala mo. Maybe you know. Nagbabakasyon lang sila rito. They're having a vacation here. Kausapin mo na. Talk to him or her. Taga saan ba siya? Where does he or she live? Matagal ko na siyang kilala. I have known him or her for a long time. Palagay ko, mabait naman siya. I guess he's a nice guy.